I'm Josie Gibson, and I'm going to bust some of the most common misconceptions around attending a WW workshop. My friends all think it's just a cold, empty room. False. The atmosphere at these sessions tend to be more energetic and is much more of a celebration. It's a great place to build a community of like-minded people on the same journey as you. And trust me, there's more life in the workshops than in this place. But then the full of other randomers clapping at me, or worse, fills me with terror.
A little bit more exercise, a little bit more action, less eating.
You did what to lose 5 pounds? Trust me, no one is going to make you feel uncomfortable. WW is about taking a holistic view around what impacts weight. I hate the idea of the session being so big that nobody can get their point across. Your coach will give you the space and time you need to discuss the areas you want to. And if you don't want to, they won't pressure you. There's no place for negative energy. Better luck next week. Okay. So you should never feel overwhelmed. Oh, much better. WW workshops aren't empty, cold places. You can find an amazing workshop in your area with the help of our workshop finder. Check WW's website to see how to begin.